Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is November 29, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up 1 3/4 points to 26.27 3/4 per contract. All in all, the market had a big day yesterday, big power surge, and today we're really just holding steady ahead of the opening bell. Normally, after a big day like yesterday, we'll get what we call a pause day, so we'll see if that is what occurs this afternoon and this morning. But nonetheless, market is holding steady ahead of the opening bell today. All right, let's get into some stocks in the news. We're going to take a look at Autodesk first. ADSK is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $115.56. It closed at $129.95. So yes, this is a big haircut. You can see after the closing bell, the stock traded down to around the 109 level. So again, we have to be a little bit aware that this stock is vulnerable to lower price. Now I'm going to have levels ready in the intraday stock chat room for you. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see those levels there posted up right at 9 a.m. Next up, we're going to take a look at Nuance Communication, NUAN. I believe they had earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at 17 and a quarter. Closed yesterday at 15.86. So this is a good little pop up for Nuance this morning. I like the move here. The stock is a little bit overbought now on a daily chart basis. If you take a look at the daily chart here, what you're going to notice is that we're right up above that 200 period moving average and a lot of resistance in play at the moment. So great move for Nuance. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I wouldn't do much with it here, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings today. Nice pop up there for Nuance Communications. Next up, we're going to take a look at Marvell. MRVL is the ticker symbol here. This is a chip play. Stock right now is trading at 23.70, closed at 23.27. So you got a little bit of an uptick. It briefly spiked higher, but again, has come back down to earth. And again, just a little bit of an overbought condition. This stock, when you look at it on a monthly chart basis, has had an amazing run. So I just don't expect much upside from where we are now. Next up, we want to take a look at Wingstop, WING. This is getting hit today. The stock closed at $39.85. It's now trading at $38.28. Looks like it was removed from the Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. Right now, what I would look for is around the 33.60 area. If it gets down to 33.60, I think there's a play. Until then, I don't think there's a whole lot to do here in this equity. But let's see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I think we're probably nearing some support here. But again, if it got down to around 33.60, I think it's a no-brainer buy for a day trade. Let's take a look at Pure Storage. PSTG is the ticker symbol here. This is a semiconductor play as well. Stock right now is trading at 18.49, closed at 19.02. I believe this is on the back of earnings, a little bit of a slip here, but either way, this stock has had an amazing run to the upside. It's just really an overbought condition, money coming off just from the overbought condition. If you own it, what I would do here is just really protect it. If you don't own it, hard to jump in here as it may pull back further. We'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. I don't think there's a whole lot to do right off the bat here, but again, we'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. Stock right now, though, is trading down a bit at 18.49. I'm going to try to have a level worked out for this. I think somewhere around that 1775, 1750 level could be decent, but I have to look at this one a little bit closer once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Tiffany. Ticker symbol is TIF. I think they might have come out with earnings. Stock right now is trading at 92.90, closed at 94.04. So you got a little bit of a downtick there. There's still a lot of support in this equity around the $90.50 level. So we'll keep that on the radar. And then after that, a lot more support around 85.25. Keep that on the radar as well. Let's take a look at Regal Entertainment. RGC is the ticker symbol here. And it looks like they confirmed that Cineworld is making an all-cash offer, $23 to acquire the company. So again, if you own Regal, put a trailing stop in. If you don't own it, leave it alone here at this point in time. No sense chasing this up. This is up a ton already. Stock closed yesterday at 19.63, and that was on the news. And today it's trading up even more. So again, a nice pop for Regal there. Looks like it has received an all-cash offer to be acquired for $23 a share by Cineworld. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting hammered today, down about 9 points. Make that $8.70 to $1,290.50 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD today, you'll see that's trading at 122 and a quarter, down from the 122.81. So again, GLD, whoop, just got a little spike there. I'm not sure if that's a true print, but either way, gold is down on spot. Looking over at the crude oil market, crude oil today trading down 25 cents to $57.74 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, you'll see that's trading at $11.55, down from $11.58 at the close yesterday. So oil is down a little bit. Gold is down decently today, down about $9 ahead of the opening bell. So you got to keep that on the radar. But like I said yesterday, I just didn't see a lot of upside for gold, and I'm getting a good pullback today. All right, with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. We got a lot of plays in motion today, and we're going to look to keep the winning streak alive. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.